In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're focusing on a simple, reliable workflow for sharing your screen in a Google Meet, specifically choosing any window or a single browser tab so you can present cleanly and keep the rest of your desktop private. Start by opening your Google Meet link in a modern browser like Chrome or Edge. If you're asked to sign in, do that first. On the preview screen, quickly check your microphone and camera, then click Join. Taking a moment here helps avoid audio issues once you begin presenting. Once you're in the meeting, look along the bottom toolbar for the Present Now button, sometimes shown as a rectangle with an arrow. Click it, and you'll see options for sharing. You can share your entire screen, a single window, or a specific tab. For this guide, choose a window or a tab so you only show what's relevant. If you pick a window, select the app you want to display and click Share. If you pick a browser tab, select the tab and, if you need to play audio or video, turn on Share Tab Audio before you confirm. After you start, you'll notice a highlighted border or a small preview indicating what the meeting can see. While you're presenting, you may see a compact banner that says, "You're sharing your screen." Use that to stop sharing at any time. If you need to switch to a different app or tab, the simplest method is to stop sharing and then click Present Now again to select the new window or tab. This keeps your presentation organized and prevents accidental oversharing. If the share options don't appear or nothing shows after you click Share, it's usually a permissions issue. On macOS, open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Screen Recording, and allow your browser to record the screen. You might need to quit and reopen the browser. On Windows, make sure screen capture isn't blocked and that your browser is up to date. Also, unminimize any app you plan to share. Minimized windows may not appear in the picker. Before you present, close anything sensitive, turn on Do Not Disturb to silence notifications, and tidy your desktop. For documents, increase zoom to improve readability for viewers. If you're sharing media, test the tab audio toggle with a short clip. A wired connection or strong Wi-Fi helps keep your screen crisp and your voice clear. That's all there is to it. Open your Meet link, click Present Now, and choose the window or tab you want to share. You're ready to present with confidence.